Hey guys, welcome back to 4C Mama. It's your girl Rhoda, and today I'm here to show you how to make my DIY shea butter hair pomade. And I would really like to tell you to make sure you look in the description box for ingredients and amounts. I always leave all the information in the description box, so please, any video that I post, always read the description box. And also, these oils are just a background note to the shea butter. The shea butter is the main attraction here, and I always like to use the white unrefined shea butter, but they only had the yellow at the store, so that's why I'm using that. But it really doesn't matter as long as it is unrefined and it's raw and natural. Now, some of my natural hair counterparts that like to do the DIY stuff, when they make their shea butter recipes, they say that, well, some of them say that they don't melt their shea butter down on the double boiler. I always do that, and I use indirect heat to melt my shea butter and my oils together. That way everything is properly infused. And so I decided I would just try the regular way without melting it down on the double boiler like I used to. And boy, I ran to the double boiler with quickness, okay? I still had bits and pieces of shea butter on my hand, when I tried to test consistency out. And I didn't like that too much. And there you go. So I ran to the double boiler. And the double boiler is just a pot of boiling water with a bowl on the top with your ingredients. And then I did that, put it in the refrigerator until it was semi-hardened, and then I blended it out. And it's just to make sure that all the oils are properly mixed in and infused into the shea butter. That's why I always do that. So I'm never gonna do it that way again. I'm just gonna stick to what I know, what I've always done. But I'm just going to whip this up for about 30 minutes or more to get it to that consistency that I want. And then I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag, cut a small hole in the corner, and just squeeze it into the container that I'm using to store it. Now, unlike my aloe vera DIYs, these you don't have to put in the refrigerator because they have no water-based ingredients in it. So these will last you for months and months and months until you use it up. Also, because there is coconut oil, you know that coconut oil changes from solid to liquid depending on the temperature. So if it's cooler in your house, in your room, wherever you store your DIYs, then it will solidify, not become a solid, it will just solidify. But once you rub it into your skin or into your hair, it'll be as smooth as butter. It'll be that delicious consistency. So I just wanted to let you know that as well. but not as much. It still has that runny consistency. This clip is in the wrong place, but anyways, geez, I'm just gonna show you how I use my Shea butter pomade. So this is freshly washed hair. I didn't put any products in it after I washed it, so I'm just using my brush to further detangle my hair. And then I put my, you see how easy it was? So when I said it's solidified, I didn't mean it would turn into a complete solid. But it's not gonna be that whipped cream consistency if it gets too cold wherever you're storing it. So I just apply it everywhere, use my fingers and like get it on my scalp, and then products for natural 4C hair when like, oh, it makes my hair feel so good. But yeah, my hair, it melts into the hair, and oh man, I cannot stress how good my hair felt. And I remember I do it on damp hair, and all I do is I put in my hair, brush it through to evenly distribute and to make sure my hair is detangled properly, and then I braid it up. Please remember all the ingredients and the amounts are in the description box. I am not gonna leave y'all hanging. I got you with the ingredients. And do you do any DIYs at home? If you do, let me know what you do, what you make at home to put in your hair, whether it's a tea rinse, whether it's just plain old aloe vera straight from the leaf. Let me know. And this is just me demonstrating on my hand. So after I rub it in, do you see that it's not greasy at all, but yet still you can see that it's more moisturized than my other hand. But anyways, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.